Are you searching for information on how to make money online in Ghana? The rise in internet usage has brought about many opportunities to make money online. There are numerous ways on how to make money online depending on the work you are supposed to do. There are many people who work online and earn a decent living compared to the person seated behind a desk all day. Ways to make money online. You first have to do your research about the online opportunity you are about to venture in. There are also scams who take advantage of your need to make money online. Ask around about the online job before you engage into commitments. Below we have highlighted some of the legit ways on how to make money online fast. Online surveys. There are numerous companies that roll out surveys in order to get feedback from their customers. They usually invite online applicants to engage in a survey, and at the end of it, you are paid. The questions are usually simple and straightforward. All you have to do is enroll yourself and get listed. Then they will send you the questions. It has been made even easier with the introduction of legitimate survey apps in the market. All you have to do is download the survey apps via Play Store and register as a member. Click the first link in the description below for our recommended way to make money online in Ghana. And don't forget to subscribe, share and comment. Thanks for watching.